taken the 2 classes on solid state chemistry. There we discuss about the introductory part of the solid state chemistry. See, based on the constituent particles and solids are classified, and based on the arrangement they are classified. That part is over. Now we are coming into the structure of the solids. See, all solids are made up of some the structural units, fundamental units. They may be made up of, formed due to the aggregation of the molecules or ions, or that is atoms. That means every solid is nothing but the aggregation of the some material particles, that is molecules, ions or atoms. That is close packing of the molecules, ions and or atoms leads to the formation of the solid entity. That is aggregation of the molecules, aggregation of the ions, aggregation of the atoms. The particles due to whose aggregation the solid is formed are called as the lattice points or constituent particles of the solid. See, in every topic of chemistry or in every subject, the technical terms are involved. To understand the subject, we should know the meaning of the terminology that is used for the topic or that particular chapter. In the solid state chemistry also, repeatedly we use some technical terms like lattice points, lattice structure, space lattice, and that is a unit cell, coordination number. So to understand the subject, first we should know the meaning of these terms, that is the terminology. So first, let me explain the meaning of the lattice points. Lattice points or lattice point. What is the meaning of it? I told you it is the aggregation of the molecules. If it is a molecular solid, the particles which are responsible for the formation of the solid are called as the lattice points. In case of the molecular solids, molecule is the lattice point. Due to the aggregation of the n number of molecules, the lattice is formed, that is, the solid is formed, solid entity is formed. In case of the ionic solids, the ions are associated each other, aggregated. Due to the aggregation of the ions, that is solid entity is formed. Therefore, it is called as the ions are there, ions are called as the lattice points. In case of the metallic solids, metal atoms are involved. There the lattice point is the metal atom. that is metal entity is formed due to the aggregation of the atoms. So, wow, how to define the lattice point? Now this is we can use the other thing, that is the point. This can be defined as the lattice point can be defined as the point which describe the position of the structural unit, that is molecule or ion or atom, in the lattice of the solid is called as lattice point. The point which describe the position of what? Position of what? Position of structural unit. Position of the structural unit. Structural unit. It may be a molecule, ion, that is atom. Anything, the structural unit, that is which is building the solid. Which is building the solid. Structural unit means the point which describe the position of the structural unit of the solid, that is molecule, structural unit of solid, molecule, ion or atom in the lattice is called as lattice point. Normally lattice point in short form is indicated as LP. It's the elementary point. Due to the aggregation of the lattice points, lattice is formed, that is solid entity is formed. That solid entity we are calling it as the lattice. So, while discussing this is the lattice point. While discussing that is the structure of the solids, lattice of the solids. See, the atoms, molecules or ions are involved. We assume that all these particles have that is basic structural units which are involved in the formation of the solid have that is spherical shape, right? They have we assume spherical shape. See, while writing the structure, the lattice, the entire this spherical shape unit is not taken into consideration. This is the spherical shaped atom or molecule. So this center contains the nucleus, right? This contains the nucleus. This is that is the electrons and that is the sphere. So in writing the lattice, in denoting the structural units in the lattice or in the solid or structure of the solid, only the nucleus is taken into consideration, not the entire, that is sphere. So that is each structural unit is indicated with just with a point. This is the lattice point. This is the lattice point. Now we use wherever you see the dot, here onwards it is lattice point. Right? It is the lattice point. It is representing this. It is now representing this. It is a representing. It may be a molecule. It is a molecule in case of the molecular solids. It is ion in case of the ionic solid. It is atom in case of the atomic solid. Just we use a dot. These are called as the lattice points. That is called as the lattice point. The lattice is formed due to the association of that is arrangement of the lattice points. So that is lattice point is also called as the point group. Also called as the point group. Is also called as the point group. See, normally we call it as the lattice point. See, this is you take, let me take this. This is the lattice points. These are all lattice points. Again, this is, now I have taken this one. This is the lattice, nothing but the lattice points. They are arranged in some order. That's all. This is, each one is representing the molecule or ion or that is atom, depending upon the nature of that is the material particles or structural units that are involved. In case of the molecular solids, they are lattice points, molecule, their dots are representing the molecules. In case of the ionic solids, representing the ions. In case of that is the atomic solid, they are representing this one. So lattice, that is the solid entity is formed due to that is the aggregation of the lattice points. So one thing. The next frequently used term, this is the very frequently used. The second one is that is crystal lattice. Second one is called as the crystal lattice. Crystal lattice, or it is also called as the space lattice. It's also called as the space lattice. Crystal lattice or space lattice. This is another term we use repeatedly we use the term lattice. What is the meaning of this lattice? See, the three-dimensional structural arrangement that is resulted due to the orderly arrangement of lattice points in 3 dimensions is called as the lattice or crystal lattice or that is space lattice. One and same. Or simply The three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points, three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points, orderly arrangement of the disciplined arrangement of the lattice points in a crystal is called as the crystal lattice or space lattice or simply lattice. Three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points in the solid is called as the lattice or space lattice. The orderly arrangement of lattice points in three dimensions is called as the space lattice, lattice or crystal lattice. See here, three-dimensional arrangement of the constituent particles or orderly arrangement of the disciplined arrangement of the constituent particles of the solid in three dimensions is called as that is lattice structure or crystal lattice or space lattice or simply lattice. See, a particular the structure is geometrical arrangement of the lattice points is repeated throughout the crystal. That the structure that is resulted, the geometric three-dimensional structure that is resulted due to the arrangement of the lattice points is called as the space lattice. This is here, you see, here the lattice. They have their own arrangement. This is the arrangement pattern. Particles are arranged in three dimensions. That is, the lattice points are arranged in a particular order. The three-dimensional structure that is resulted due to the arrangement of constituent particles, that is called as the lattice. You can similarly same pattern is repeated, you see. Cuboid or whatever it is. This is repeated again. This is the lattice structure. So these are the lattice points. The colored dots are the lattice points. In the crystal, these are arranged in a particular order. That is, and due to the orderly arrangement, that is, the inner part of the crystal gets a geometry. The three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice particles in the crystal is called as crystal lattice or space lattice or simply lattice. Every crystalline solid has its own lattice, its own arrangement. It may be cubic arrangement, it may be a tetragonal arrangement, it may be a cuboid arrangement, whatever it is there will be some this thing. And if you come to this is it's nothing but lattice points. These are all the lattice points. These are all the lattice points. This is lattice point. 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 That is, this is lattice point. This is lattice point. These are all the lattice points, right? This is say they are arranged in a particular order. So, three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points in the crystal is called as the lattice or crystal lattice or space lattice. Simple. Three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points in the crystal is called as the lattice, crystal lattice, space lattice. Simple definition. The three-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points in the crystal is called as the lattice, crystal lattice, space lattice. Every crystalline solid has its own lattice. That is, this is the lattice. Regarding the lattice, this is nothing but the three-dimensional arrangement of lattice points in the crystal is called as lattice, that is crystal lattice, crystal lattice or space lattice. That is, next one is the or we can say that is the or we can say that R that is orderly arrangement, disciplined arrangement. Of constituent particles. Orderly arrangement of constituent particles. Constituent particles. Orderly arrangement of constituent particles. That is lattice points. orderly arrangement of the lattice points in 3 dimensions. In 3 dimensions is called as lattice, space lattice. The 3-dimensional the arrangement which is resulted due to the orderly arrangement of the lattice points or constraint particles in the solid is called as the lattice, crystal lattice or space lattice. Every crystal has its own that is a regular or orderly arrangement, 3-dimensional arrangement. That 3-dimensional arrangement is due to that is organized arrangement of lattice points. Lattice points are the ultimate particles in the solid. Those are arranged in a particular order in the 3 dimensions. That is the 3-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points in the crystal is called as the solid is called as the lattice or space lattice, or that is space lattice or crystal lattice. This one has its own crystalline structure. So that is this one. The third one is and next point is the next term is the technical term is that is unit cell. Unit cell. What is the meaning of this unit cell? See, in the solid, every solid, crystalline solid has its own 3-dimensional arrangement. A particular, that is, lattice points are arranged in a particular geometry. Right? And throughout the crystal, that geometry is that arrangement is continued. That is called as the crystal lattice or space lattice or simply lattice. 3 times we defined it. Now, what is the unit cell? This is now we are taking the lattice, space lattice, crystal lattice. In that a particular pattern of arrangement, 3-dimensional pattern of arrangement is repeated in repeated itself in 3 dimension. To form the lattice is called as that is a unit cell. The smallest portion of the smallest 3-dimensional portion of the crystal which is repeated itself in entire space or in 3 dimension to form the crystal lattice is called as the unit cell. The smallest portion of the smallest 3-dimensional portion of the smallest 3-dimensional portion of the crystal lattice portion of the crystal lattice or simply lattice which is repeated itself repeated itself throughout the crystal is called as, that is, unit cell. The unit cell is the building block of, this is the building block of the smallest portion of the lattice, which is repeated throughout the crystal. Same design, same pattern is repeated again and again and again and again. Brick. That is the wall is constructed by piling up arranging the bricks. Brick is the ultimate unit. Brick is the unit cell. By arranging them, that is the wall is constructed, building is constructed. The smallest unit is that is a brick. Similarly here, that is the smallest three-dimensional portion of the crystal lattice. From the lattice you take not the point, that is the lattice point. Take that is the smallest three-dimensional portion, which is repeated again and again and again and again and throughout the crystal to form the lattice is called as that is and crystal lattice. That is called as the crystal lattice. So if you come to this one, so unit cell, that is called as the unit cell. Crystal is formed due to that is alignment of the unit cells. Unit cell is the fundamental structural unit in the solid. Due to the repetition of the unit cell throughout the crystal in 3 dimension, that is lattice is formed. And in each unit cell is formed due to the regular arrangement of the orderly arrangement of that is lattice points. Lattice point is the constituent particle of the unit cell. Unit cell is the constituent unit of that is crystal lattice. That due to the repetition of that is the lattice is formed. So this is let me take the first one. This is the lattice. These are the yellow points are the lattice points. These are the lattice points, LP. This is the entire, that is the 3-dimensional structure that is resulted due to the arrangement of the lattice points in a particular order is called as that is lattice structure, or simply lattice, or space lattice. And smallest, it has its own structure, but it is some particular design is repeating again and again and again and again. That is repeating. This is the unit, you see. This is the unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to 4, 2 to 4. This is somewhere it is missing. 2 to 4. This is not belongs to this. 2 to 4, 6, 8. This unit is repeated one by one. Let me take the whiteboard. This is here. You see what is happening. This is the 2 unit. This is 1 unit cell. This is 1 unit cell. The dark, that is the cube, is the another unit cell. These two are combined each other. This is an arrangement. See here. This is the lattice point. 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 This is the cubic system. That is, these 8 are arranged in a particular order, in the cubical order. That is, they are arranged in the 8 points are, that is, the lattice points are at the corners of the cube. So this is the another repetition. This is repetition. That's all. This is the. See here, what we can do is, this is the 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3 third cube, 4th cube. 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So we can get the. This is lattice structure. Eight cubes now. 8 cube system. This is 1 and this is 1. This is second cube. This is third cube. This is fourth cube. This is the fifth cube. This is sixth cube. This is seventh cube. This is base of the 8th cube. Or you can write here. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are, they are arranged each other. 8 are arranged. So this is called as the, now this unit is called as the this unit is called as the lattice. Sorry, unit cell. This is the unit cell. This is the unit cell. See, this is another unit cell, second unit cell. It is similar to this. Now, these are combining. That is, in the formation of the lattice, this unit cell is, arrangement is repeated. This unit cell is repeated again and again and again and one by one. The entire crystal is, that is formed due to the, this is association of the small unit cells. So that is, lattice is nothing but the aggregation of, association of, that is the regular arrangement of unit cells. Due to the orderly arrangement of the unit cells, orderly arrangement of the lattice points, unit cell is formed. Right? Unit cell is formed. And due to the orderly arrangement of the unit cells, due to the repetition of the unit cells, orderly arrangement of the unit cells, the resulted structure, 3-dimensional structure is called as the, that is the space lattice or crystal lattice or lattice. This is the lattice. This is the, each corner, the point which is at the corner is the, this is the lattice point. This unit is the, this cubic unit is the, that is a unit cell. Unit cell. The entire structural this thing is the, that is a crystal lattice. So that is Lattice point is building the unit cell. Unit cells are repeating and forming the lattice. Lattice is built by the unit cells. Unit cells are built by the lattice points. So a particular pattern of that is a lattice cell, unit cell has its own design, three-dimensional structure. This is the smallest three-dimensional structural unit in the solid that is repeated throughout the crystal. So this is the repetition. We can write any number of this thing. Shall I take the copy of this? Now, let me repeat it. And right, repeated. This is same unit basic, that is the cube or cuboid is repeated again and again and again and again. This contains the 8 cubes. This unit contains the 8 cubes. It contains the 8 plus 8, 16. The total this crystalline structure contains the lattice structure contains the 18 cubes, 18 unit cells. So this can be built up again. This is yeah, like a building. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the top. Here 8, 8, 8. That is one over the other. That is it is forming. So 2, 2. That is all. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. Like that. This is say nothing but a particular unit is repeated. Let me take the one small part of it. You see? Now, one cube is, all are made up of, so it has a cubic. This cube is repeated again and again and again and again. So this cuboid or cube or cuboid, whatever you say, that is, it is repeated throughout the crystal. Right? Throughout the crystal. This is the right. This is the unit cell. This structure is formed due to the repetition of this unit cell. This is called as the lattice structure. Right? This is called as the lattice structure. And for the formation of the cube, some that is lattice points are some atoms or molecules are required. They are called as the lattice points. Lattice points are arranged in the organized fashion and forming the unit cell due to the repetition of the three-dimensional arrangement of that is due to the repetition of the unit cell, the lattice is formed. Entire structure is the lattice structure. The basic three-dimensional unit, structural unit, which is repeated, is called as that is a unit cell. So the atoms or molecules or ions or constituent particles that are involved in the formation of the unit cell is called as the lattice points. Lattice points, material particles, unit cell, smallest design, and that is lattice, the entire crystalline structure which is formed due to the repetition of that is lattice is called as the lattice point. This is this one. And now it is we come to the other one. You can write the what many things what is there. And this is the case. I have taken the same thing I think. This is the case. Another case. Same thing. See, this is one unit cell, 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 unit cell. So backside one unit cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are able to. But behind this one, there are 8. 8 below, 8 above. That is this is nothing but the lattice structure. The lattice structure. We can dismantle them. What is there? We can dismantle them. 8. You see? This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. This is the sixth one. This is the seventh one. This is the eighth one. See? There are 8 cubes. Each cubic arrangement is called as the, right? Each cubic arrangement is called as that is arrangement is called as the unit cell, and due to that is orderly arrangement of the unit cell, that a new three-dimensional structure is formed in the solid that is called as the lattice structure or simply lattice or space lattice. Again we can build up what is there. This is the two. So I think it's not necessary to not. Similarly, okay, it's not the time to. Similarly, those two again, the combining them, right? Combining them, and that is lattice is constructed 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 in one plane. Similarly, the other things can be constructed. That is, other 4 can be constructed. Right? We can build up and this align them. So this is called as this one. Now, the next part is the classification of the unit cells. The unit cell is the building block of the lattice. You know the meaning of the lattice. Now, classification of the lattice. Classification of the unit cells. Unit cells are classified in 2 different ways. The first way of classification is based on the position of the lattice points, location of the lattice points in the unit cell. We are classifying the unit cells, where they are located. And second type of classification is the classification of the unit cells based on unit cell parameters. The axis length and the axis angle, that is angle of axis, plane of the axis, that is the length of the axis.